Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're okay. And today I have some discussion together with you people, especially the young professionals in our country called Kenya. Types of accounts as a young professional that you should have. First, I would just say that you need a bank account in your life. You need a bank account to facilitate you to do some transactions. If you get a check, you can cash your your account. If you want to pay something, you can use your account. If you want to get salary, you can get using your bank account. If you want to pay some fees, for example, school fees, you can use your bank account. So that is an account that is very important as a young professional that you should have. The other one is Sacco account. You need to join a Sacco, a legit Sacco, so that you are able to save, so that in the future you can be able to take a loan based on your deposits that you have saved in your Sacco. Majority of Sacco give a multiplier of 3 if you of the amount that you have saved in your Sacco. It is very important to note that if you want to achieve financial freedom, you will need to have a Sacco account that can facilitate you to save. Remember, you have two types of SACCOs. We have the BOSA and we have the FOSA. The BOSA is the back office, whereby you require to contribute a certain amount, and the money, for you to get the money, you require that money to be refunded. You have to write a letter in your SACCO. But for the FOSA, it's like a transactional bank account, whereby you can even deposit money today and then move it and then withdraw it the next minute. So that is a FOSA. So you should know the difference. The other one is a mobile money account, the M-Pesa of this world. So you need one. If you have not subscribed, you should need one so that you are able to facilitate your transactions. If you want to deposit money to your Sacco, you can use your M-Pesa. If you want to pay some things, you can use your M-Pesa. If you want to anything that you think that needs to be facilitated, so you need that mobile money account in whichever preference company you want. But in Kenya, I know majority of people are in M-Pesa, so you need one. So if you are a young professional and you don't have one, kindly make arrangement on how to get one. The other one is an NSSF account. As you are aware, we are growing old. If you are employed or not, NSSF is a public company whereby you can save your money that can help you during your old age. It's a good practice and a good practice, especially when you are young, to save your money, that will help you during the old age. Remember, your children are not your insurance for your old age. So you might think that will help you, but it is not the obvious. If you cannot get the NSSF, you can find the private pension schemes and you join one. The little shillings that you get, start saving early and your money will grow because those people will invest on your behalf. And during your old age, when you are 50, 60, 70, it will serve you better. This is the day that the Lord has made, so take a chance to get an NSSF account. If you don't want to deal with the public one, you can get a private one, which can help you to save on that money. The other one, you need KRA PIN. KRA PIN, if you get one, it is very important, because if you get a salary, you require that so that you are able to declare that you pay tax. If you get a small business deal, you'll be able to declare your tax obligations. So it is very important. And majority of the employers, unless two small ones, they will not employ you if you don't have KRIP. Also, if you want to do a business which is serious, you need this KRIP. So it's a very important account that you have. The other one is a CDS account from the Central Depository for enabling you to buy shares from Nairobi Stock Exchange if you are in Kenya. So you need to open this account. You can use your broker. They are listed there in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, the legit one. So you'll be able to buy shares of your preference. The little money you get, you can be able to buy shares. Remember, shares today, you can buy as many more shares as 100 shares. So some companies, you get a share is 10 shillings. So if you are to buy a share, just the minimum one, 100 shares. So it means with 1,000 shillings, you'll be able to buy shares. It is very important for you to have this account to facilitate you to buy shares. The other one is CDS account from Central Bank of Kenya. Have you ever heard about Treasury bill, Treasury boards? If you want to subscribe to those so that you are able to get coupon from the boards or the interest from the Treasury bills, you will require to have a CDS account from the Central Bank of Kenya, which you will connect with your bank account, so that if you want to subscribe to a Treasury bill, you will be able to do it. If you want to subscribe to a Treasury board, if you want to do it personally, you'll be able to do it without using any intermediary. So CDS account from CBK, very important. If you're a young professional who is serious about money, you need to have one. The other one is money market, MMF. You require to have an MMF account so that you are able to invest in those mutual funds. So it is very important you know how the money of this world from Safaricom, maybe the works, the Wood Mutual, MMF, the Zimeres, the Nabo Capital of this world. You need to open one. This will enable you to invest little money for your emergency, and your money will also grow because those people are investing on your behalf, and you'll be able to get something from that. As a young professional, you might not have a lot of money, but the 100 bob that you can invest every week can make a difference over time. So make attempt to get this account. It is very important as a young professional. The last and not the least is NHIF. As you are aware, health is a big disruptor. Health is a big disruptor. Health cost is a big disruptor of our money cycles. Remember, if someone gets sick, even yourself, you can use all your money to make sure that you're okay. But if you have some remedy like the NHIF, or you can take some private insurance, even don't take those expensive one, it will help you to save or to get a remedy, especially when uh, you have a huge medical bill. So as a young professional, whether you have the employer one or not, if you are a young professional, does not mean that you must be employed. Even if you have your small business, make attempt to make sure that you have your NHIF and you subscribe to it. The retro money that you are told to subscribe, you have to date. It is very important for you and your family. So make attempt to get these accounts. They will help you in your life. All for Jesus, nothing for me. Bye.